Talk about how can you select autoplay videos on your Samsung members app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings. So then you come to next here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on autoplay videos, just click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this. In there can you select if you want to add never or using Wi-Fi only, or using Wi-Fi or mobile data, click on OK. Then it's going to add with you. So that's all you have to do to select autoplay videos. That's all. I wish you I get it. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.